Welcome to EazyLiv Property Management Solutions, your trusted partner in property management in Chennai. Today, we're going to take you through the key benefits of choosing our services. Let's dive in. Are you a property owner looking to maximize your investments? Look no further. At EazyLiv Property Management Solutions, we specialize in expert property management services that ensure peace of mind and exceptional returns. With our dedicated team of professionals, we take care of every aspect of property management. From tenant screening to rent collection, maintenance to legal compliance, we handle it all, so you can sit back and relax. Our proactive approach to maintenance ensures that your properties are always in top condition. We respond promptly to repair requests, conduct regular inspections, and coordinate with trusted vendors to keep your properties well-maintained and attractive to tenants. Speaking of tenants, we pride ourselves on finding high-quality tenants for your properties. Our thorough screening process helps us identify reliable tenants who pay on time and take care of your investments as if they were their own. As your trusted partner, we work diligently to maximize your rental income. Our team keeps a close eye on market trends and ensures your rental rates are competitive, while also taking care of lease renewals and negotiations. Legal matters can be complex, but we've got you covered. Our team stays up to date with the latest regulations and handles all legal aspects, from lease agreements to eviction processes, ensuring your investments are protected. At EazyLiv Property Management Solutions, our goal is your success. We provide transparent financial reporting, giving you a clear view of your property's performance. Our expertise in financial management helps you make informed decisions for future investments. Don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied clients rave about our services. We pride ourselves on building long-term relationships based on trust, integrity, and exceptional customer service. So whether you have a single property or a portfolio of investments, let EazyLiv Property Management Solutions be your partner in property management success. Contact us today at 91-880-77-00070, or you can email us at hello@eazyliv.com. Please feel free to explore our website, www.eazyliv.com, for more information and experience the difference. EazyLiv Property Management Solutions, unlocking the true potential of your properties.